In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a Zoho form. We'll walk through each step of the process together, ensuring that everything is straightforward and easy to follow. Whether you're managing forms for business or personal use, having a physical copy can be incredibly useful. So let's dive right in. To begin, you'll need to log in to your Zoho Forms account. Once you've successfully accessed your account, take a moment to locate the form you'd like to print. This could be any form you have created or collected responses for. Once you've spotted the form you need, go ahead and click on it. This initial step is crucial because selecting the correct form ensures you're working with the right set of entries. After selecting your form, direct your attention to the Entries tab. This is your repository, where all the submitted responses are stored. Navigating to this tab will allow you to access individual entries that contain the data you wish to print. It's like a digital filing cabinet where all your information is neatly organized and ready for you to use. Now, with the Entries tab open, you'll want to click on the specific response that you need to print. Once you do this, the full form entry will appear on your screen. This view is helpful as it allows you to double-check that you have the right information before moving on to the printing step. The next task is to locate the print function. Typically, there's a small print icon located at the top right corner of the entry window. Go ahead and click this icon, as it is your gateway to turning that digital entry into a paper format. Clicking the print icon will trigger your browser's print dialog to open. Here is where you'll make crucial decisions about how your printout will look. You'll see options to select your printer and adjust various settings like layout or paper size. It's essential to ensure that all these settings are tailored to your specific requirements. Once you've reviewed everything, simply click Print to start the printing process. In case you don't need a hard copy and would prefer to have a digital version stored on your device, Zoho Forms provides an alternative. Instead of selecting a physical printer, you can opt for Save as PDF in the Printer Destination field. This will convert your form entry into a PDF file, which can be saved and accessed on your computer or shared with others electronically. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully printed a Zoho form entry. For more helpful tips on using Zoho Forms, feel free to subscribe to our channel or take a look at our Help Center for additional resources. Thanks for watching, and happy printing!